Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Many thanks and congratulations for coming to Sonia Craft Gallery. Today I am here with another new video. I hope you will like the video very much. Yellow color paper should be cut in circle 8 cm size. Now make flower by applying glue. This should be designed with a red color pen. A beautiful flower is made. Now make a stick. This time I attach the flower with glue. I have already made some more flowers. Now make a stick. Now make a leaf. The flowers and leaves should be glued in step by step with the stick. So friends, see a beautiful flower is made. Comment if you like the video. So thank you very much for watching the video till the end. Like, share and comment to get new video. Subscribe to the channel and hit bell icon. See you again in another new video.